There's still more things that I want to do in this world and be able to do more frequently. But what most people don't get is like, it didn't start like this. So with that, even where I'm at now, a lot of times people are like, okay, you have books on Amazon, you all built this publishing company, you have this email marketing list, all of this, you have all these videos of content that you've been doing for content creation. And be honest with you, the first thing that I learned when I started getting into business, luck it don't exist. And you need to get that out of your head from day one. It's not about luck at all. The second thing that I learned throughout business for these last 8 years was how to maximize free content. And so what most people are out here looking for, they're looking at for search engine optimization, or they're coding type things, trying to break the algorithm, and those things don't work.